The subject of this video is Teams call handling for situations when you are out of office, want to forward your call. These settings will help. So open Teams, go to Settings over to the right, go down to Calls, and here you have Call Forwarding. You can record a greeting. It's just like recording a voicemail with your carrier for your mobile phone. You can select a language. You can select how to process the call. Record a message, and then enter your customized greeting. And let's expand Manage Out of Office Voicemail. Say record a greeting, say all the time. And then enter customized greeting. And then just double check all your typing. And when you're ready, click Save. I would suggest you have someone call just to make sure that the replies are what you expect until you get accustomed to the feature. Hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.